Building with Papa. Okay, this is a Maax shower door. I'm going to show you how to install it. Alright, I opened up the package and there's a lot of pieces to this shower door. I've installed a lot of other ones that have probably half of these pieces. But okay, let's get started. So I like to get everything out, look at everything, all the packaging. This is the handles, and this is the packaging of your mollies, your rollers, bumper stops. This here is the end piece that you start with. And this, I wasn't sure what it was, but we'll get to that. Okay, so the first thing I do is I locate where I want my shower door to sit. And I usually pick center of the sill. I've done that. I put my rods in and I drill the holes and put the mollies in. All right. Now, this piece is to cut the tracks. I really like it. It makes it simple. You can use a hacksaw or whatever. This is the rubber end that goes on each end of this track that everything rolls on. It goes up against the tile and it makes everything fit really nice. And it actually works as the bumper guard for the shower door itself. So you put that in, put your track down into this wall track, and then you screw it into the wall, into the mollies you've already drilled and installed. All right, this little clip goes up in the track and then slides into the rubber bumper, and it clips right in. And that's the stop that's going to hold the shower door from moving one direction or the other. Keeps it in place. It works really nice. So now that I've got the wall tracks up, the top track, now it's just a cover piece. This just goes over it to hide all the screws and makes it look really elegant. Just pops right on. Tap it with the mallet or your hand. I just used my hand and it snapped right in. So it works really nice and makes it look very nice. Okay, so now you got to put the rollers on the glass door. All right, it has a black piece with your screw. You put that in on the one side. This white piece, you'll see there's a little bump there. Your roller has the female end that matches to that, and that's what you want to make sure that sits in the groove. And then you tighten up the screw. The rollers move really nicely. There's a slot in the top track where you would go to put the one roller in first, and then you move it over and put in the other roller in that slot. This piece had me a little confused at first. I wasn't sure what it was, but it has a sticky tape on the bottom. This rod is going to go from the left to the right. It doesn't go all the way to the end, but it keeps that facade, that piece that goes over it, snaps on, it keeps that in place. Once you put that rod down, there's an adhesive and it sticks really well. This piece gave me a little bit of a hard time. So what I wound up doing is I had to move the doors out, I had to snap it down, and then take the rubber piece, the guide that's on the bottom, and slide it into the slot and then silicone it. Okay, because it was very difficult and it's not real clear in the instructions. But I'm right now putting on these end pieces, the plastics. You have two smaller ones with the width-wise. They're all the same height as the glass. But there's one that has a fin. That's this one here. And the fin rubs against the other glass slightly. This way it keeps any water from coming out. Well, this turned out quite nice. I really like this one. I didn't show you how to put the handles on, but they're simple. But look at them. They have a name imprinted on them, so you'll know not to put them on upside down. One thing I forgot to mention to you, there's stickers on the glass. The sticker you want facing outside the shower. There's a coating on the inside glass. This is a really nice shower door. Like, subscribe, ring that bell. See you on the next one.